In last session we learn about the series and the parallel connection. So in this session we will learn how to connect the switches. So what I will to do for creating a new circuit, I'll create a new circuit. It will lead to my designing area. So now I came to my designing area. So for working with the push buttons, what I'll do, I'll work with the push button. I'll need one resistor. So what are the components I need? I'll just drag to my area so that it will be easy for working. And here from the diagram I'll check the battery. Okay. So by checking this we can change the directions also. So this came here. So if we took my cursor to the any pin, we will see. So what is the connection? This is the terminal 1A, terminal 1B. This is the terminal 2A, and this is the terminal. It is having the 4 pin. This is the configuration, and this is the register I took for limiting the current flow which is happening. To make it to 220 ohms. So if I make this to the 220 ohms, I can see this is the color combination of this register got changed. Okay, so what I have to do, and this is my red LED. From here I can change the color also. So for this I will take blue. So if I take a blue, here the color of my LED will change. My connection is green color now, so I'll just connect this positive to the first terminal of this register. The second terminal register will go to the button, and this button will go to the positive. Okay. So this will go to the positive connections. For the negative one, what I'll do, I'll took the connections to this negative. So I'll just check if I can change the color. If I like this, I can change the white color. So now this black is for the negative and this green is for the positive. So what I'll do, I start the simulation. Now why my LED is not blinking? Because the button is off. Okay. So if I click on the button, I can see my LED is blinking. So this is the simple application that by using the button we can on, and if I release the button it is off. Because the function of push button is like if you push inside, it will complete the circuit and the current will flow from the switch. That's why if I press it for a long time, my LED is on for the long time. If I make it released, my LED is off. So by using this circuit, we can make the simple circuit for the on-off switch also, or some gate opening and off. And stop. I'll make a change a name, that is LED with button. And then I'll export in BRD, and that will be saved. Okay. So if I click on this and delete, this line will get deleted and it will make my circuit free. Okay. So now this is done. Now we'll connect the slider switch. So this is the slider switch I have. Okay. So this is the common terminal. This slider switch is having 3 terminals. Terminal 1, terminal 2 and the common. Common will get connected to the positive supply. Okay. So here I connected. So the anode is here. Now I'll take the second LED. So we will see just whether. So now I have the blue LED and I have the red LED. So what I'll do, I'll connect the terminal 1 to the anode, and this anode will go to the second terminal. This common will go to the second terminal of resistor, and this first will go to the positive. Okay, so it's connected to the positive. Now I have to provide the ground. So now this circuit is complete, and for this cathode I have to connect it to the negative of my battery. It's connected to the negative. Okay. So now it's become whole black. So what I'll do, for the positive connection I'll check whether I can change the color. I'll make it orange so that we can change how it will look for the different colors with wires. Okay. The orange. Okay. So we know that what are the orange colors are, that is for the positive supply, and what is the black, that is for the negative supply. I'll start the simulation. I'll check. So Slider seems like if this slider is here, my blue LED is working. So if I make it, my red LED is working. So same warning I'm getting. What is the warning? Current through the LED is 13.9 mA, while recommended maximum is 20 milliampere. The usable lifetime of the LED may reduce. So for this condition, what we have to do? We will change the rating of this resistor. So now currently it is for the 220. I'll check it with the 330 ohms. So if I check the 330, what is happening? I'm still getting the warning. But what happened here? The current rating is reduced. The current through the LED is 20.9. Previously it was 30. So again I have to change the rating of my resistor. So what I'll do? I'll check the 480 ohms. So I changed to the 480 ohms. So currently we can see it is 480. So if I change to 480, what is happening? That warning is went. Okay. So what happening now? What is the current flowing through my LED? It's under the limit, and it will not harm my LED. So this we can change. And if I again make the slider here, this blue LED will work. So this is the second connection.